Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and she writes, "Hello, my name is Loretta." Hi Loretta. "We are giving my mother-in-law an 80th celebration of life party soon." That is awesome. "I would like to create this centerpiece. Please help." "I need to know how to make the stems and the stand to place them on. I love your YouTube channel and any help you can give me would be appreciated." Well, Loretta, not only are we going to show you how to make the stems and the stand, we're also going to show you how to make the paper flowers. It is absolutely our pleasure and we cannot wait for you to see how easy this project is. So, with that being said, let's get started with this week's project, Tall Glam Paper Flower Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So to create our stand, we're going to use a 9 by 12 inch oval wood plaque and a 6-inch styrofoam disc. And we're simply going to attach the styrofoam disc to the center of our plaque using hot glue. Give it about 10 minutes to set up, and then you are ready to head on outside and spray paint it your desired color. In this case, we're going with metallic silver. To create our stems, we're going to be using 18-inch long 18 gauge stem wire that's already been wrapped in paper. So I'm going to take two of them and just attach them to each other using just basic regular tape. And then you're going to determine how long you want your stem with the third one. In this case, I'm going to have one that is right at about 24 inches long, one that's 22 inches long, and one that's right at about 20 inches long. And the third stem is what determines the end length. So next, I'm going to simply wrap the entire 3 wires with our floral wire wrap, and it's just that simple. And there you have your stems. To add a bit of extra support, I double wrap my stems in the floral tape, and once they are completely covered, you are ready to spray paint them also that same metallic silver. Now for the fun part. It's time to create those beautiful paper flowers. For this, I'm actually using our stencil that can be purchased on MissPlanItShop.com and used for this project and many other projects as well. I'm choosing to use a crinkle charcoal paper and a crinkle silver paper, but whatever paper you would like would be perfect for this project. I would suggest that the paper be printed on each side, meaning the same pattern and same color on each side. So to start off, we have to create our base, and we did that by taking a 4x4 square of our desired paper. We just trimmed it down, did a little snippet just so that the hole would be just big enough to fit our wire, and then sealed it with hot glue. Next, we're going to trace our 4-inch rose blossom pattern and our 5-inch rose blossom pattern onto our desired paper using our chalk pencil. You may notice that I modified the petals just a little bit so that they would resemble the inspiration picture flower more directly. You can do this or you cannot, it's simply up to you. But once you cut out all of your petals, you're going to cut a slit that's about a 1/2 inch at the end of the petal And then I'm just using a marker to roll them out to give them that shape. Then you're going to cross over and seal the slit with hot glue. And there you have your petals ready to make your beautiful rose flower. To add that little touch of glam, I'm going to use this Christmas ornament, which is actually a sea urchin, to attach to the center of my rose. I'm trimming down all of the spikes that I do not need to create a flat surface to attach the ornament to. And then I'm trimming down the spikes in general so that it fits into the center of my flower perfectly. Simply going to bend your stem down and attach your urchin with hot glue. So this step is optional. I just simply got these silver poinsettias from the Dollar Tree and I'm attaching them to my base, but it's really up to you, your preference. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and make it your own. If you want your base to just be the silver metallic, it'll be just as beautiful. Well, Loretta, what do you think? Can you believe that something this stunning was so easy to create? I just love how it turned out and I hope we met your vision. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will receive one from us directly the moment our weekly videos are posted. I just love how this turned out, and if you would like to have a question about it, or you just want to tell us that you love it too, please make sure you comment right below. If you would like, you can also follow us on all of our social media platforms, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your EBATES rebate account, you have to do it. It is an awesome program that is absolutely free. Just click on the link in the description below, sign up for your EBATES account, and when you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendors and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. It's really that simple. Don't forget to check out our wonderful digital downloads. They are ready for you to use to create the DIY wedding or event of your dreams. And as a matter of fact, the patterns we use for this week's project to create our paper rose came directly from MissPlanItShop.com. So please check it out. Hopefully you'll find things there that can help you and tell us what you think. I am happy to announce that our MissPlanIt home channel is up and running on our website, MissPlanIt.com. If you'd like to go over there and check it out, just click on the little icon right there in the corner and it'll take you right there. I can't wait to hang out with you at my home where I'm doing projects for myself as well as projects for my family and my friends. So head on over to our website and check out MissPlanIt home channel. I would love to hear what you think. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. We so enjoyed having you. We just so appreciate you spending the time with us because we know you have lots of options on YouTube. So we want to thank you for taking the time to hang out with us. Well, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.